Hey everybody, I'm here today with a Weiser Smartcode Lock Door Handing tutorial. This is a simple video and this will help you fix a sticking lock or get the orientation right when you are using your Weiser Smartcode lock on a new door. So sometimes when you put a Weiser Smartcode lock on a new door, you have to get the orientation again, okay? You have to redo the process, the door handing process for orienting the lock, okay? In addition, if you have a lock that sticks, like you can see mine is sticking right here right now. It happens from time to time, it's not a big deal, but usually the door handing process will fix that sticking point. So as you can see right here, every once in a while it ends up sticking at a certain point, and you just have to redo the door handing process. Very easy to do. You want to start off by undoing the screws on either side to remove the faceplate on the inside portion of the actual lock. So this is actually the Smartcode 10 touchscreen edition. Sorry if my head's in the way there. However, the process is going to be very similar for the majority of the Weiser Smartcode locks. Okay, so what we're doing here is we are just removing the screws on either side. I'm hoping that everything is able to still come through on the camera, just because I have a whole bunch of light in the background there. Perfect, okay, so we've removed the screws. Now what we're going to do is remove the faceplate, as you can see right over here. Just pull off the faceplate, and we've now exposed the internals of the lock. Very easy process. You're going to locate your program button, okay? So once again, there's pretty much only going to be one button that you can push. In this case, the program button is right over here. This is the LED, so don't get confused. This is not a button. It looks like it, but this is the program button right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the battery pack. Okay, then we are going to hold down the program button. Okay, so I'm holding down the program button, reinserting the battery pack, releasing the program button. Okay, you're gonna hear a beep. Okay, now this should be flashing green and red. It didn't work. We're gonna try one more time. Okay, so once again, remove the battery pack. Okay, hold down the program button like that. Okay, once again, insert the battery pack. And then we're going to release the program button, okay? All right, so as you can see, we flash green and red. Now we're gonna push the program button again, and you can hear it learning the orientation now, okay? So it's learning the orientation of the door, boom. So now you can see it's learning how it's supposed to work. It's figuring out where it's gonna end, where the middle spot is, and all that sort of stuff, okay? So, all right, so now what we're gonna do is so we should be good to go. There we go, now we're good to go. We're going to simply reinstall the faceplate. It's in the locked position, so I'm gonna have to turn the knob to where it would usually be when it's locked, somewhere about there, okay? And now we're gonna reinstall the screws, and we should have fixed the problem. That's the process for the door handing. And like I said, if you are installing a Weiser Smartcode lock on a new door, definitely that is something that you should do to reorient the lock for your new door. I mean, every time you install it on a new door, you should be doing that. And if your lock is sticking, like mine was there, that'll fix the problem. Check that out. Boom, boom. Perfect. And that's basically it. In this video, I have shown you the process, a simple tutorial for the Weiser Smartcode Lock Door Handing process. Easy to do. Whenever you install it on a new door, definitely do that. And if you experience any sticking, there's still a little bit of sticking. I'll probably do it one more time, but it's way better than before. If you experience any sticking, then definitely go for it. And if it doesn't work the first time perfectly, try it again. There's way less sticking than before, but I still feel a little bit, so I'm gonna do it one more time after this video. But that's it, that's how you do it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.